Hi everyone, hello guys, hello beautiful, this is Ali again. I'm back to do a 2021 Pride makeup look tutorial. I know there are many talented makeup artists or makeup creators there, but I want to share my part. It's the 30th of June. Tomorrow will be the 1st of July. So before the Pride month and I just want to make my entry. Okay. So there's a little twist though because all the makeup that I'm going to use is from Amazon. Again, it's from Amazon. They are like the top makeup reviewed in Amazon. My ears is itchy. So for the eyeshadow, we're gonna use the Veroni, and this one too. It's like it says there that it's a glow in the dark makeup. We will try that. I'm gonna try my best to add this to the look, but it's look, so it's really perfect for the makeup tutorial. And also the lipstick beauty glaze, that is the cover. What is this? Kimimti. These are all eyeliners. I'm just shocked because all are very affordable. I'm gonna leave all the link in my description box. And for the highlights and also for the contour and some eyeliner pencil. Oh my god, not that. So you can make a mark on it, like you see this, like a star. So I'm gonna do my best to put that. It has 4 design: moon, flower, star, heart. Okay, and I'm gonna use the Amazon top selling what do you call that, this and also this top selling powder, bestseller powder in Amazon, but for setting. And also a magnetic, it's not a magnetic, it's 2-in-1 soft adhesive eyeliner. It's for the eyelashes. That's what, eyelashes. And of course this Pura foundation. The only thing that I don't have is the primer. I don't have the primer. I don't know why I didn't find a primer. So I'm gonna use my e.l.f. Poreless Face Primer. Anyway, I bought this in the drugstore or Amazon. I think in the drugstore. Okay, so I'm gonna put the foundation, I mean the primer first, and I'm gonna show you some of the foundation, and we will go. I will show you more more on how I will do my eyes and lips, because that is the highlight today. Okay, so please stay and check the look that we will finish. Okay. So I look like a zombie right now, but so we will get the Veroni eyeshadow. Pretty much a lot of color in here. Let's see that. So I'm gonna start here and I'm gonna go. Okay. So this is the eyeshadow that I finished. I'm gonna put some glitter and I'll be this fluorescent eyeshadow charm to make it glow in the dark. I hope it really glow in the dark. Just gonna need something. Okay, I need more tissue here. So I'm gonna start with this yellow green because the yellow doesn't pop that too much. Just gonna put that in between here. Wow. Finally finished with this. Okay, so I'm just gonna do a little line and add a little design here, do a little contour, and I'll get back. So we're gonna use the liner to line the edges here and just put the little stars where it works. So I decided to use the star. Damn, it's really hard to open this. The star and moon. This moon is not bad. So I'm thinking where to put the moon. Maybe in here. Or here. Or maybe here. So I'm gonna do this here. Oh, look at that. Girl. So it works. I'm just gonna put a little star here. One. And three. I'm gonna do the same thing in the others. Okay. So you can use the other side as an eyeliner too, but I'm gonna use another eyeliner for my this one, Wilfred 2-in-1 soft adhesive eyeliner, so that I can put my eyelashes. Oops, 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 oops. It's not bad. It's coloring. With all the glitters on my face. There you go. So I'm gonna put the other one, and oh, I already put my lashes. The Winifred, this one works. My eyelashes stick. I had one problem with this jewel light or eyeliner. The eyeliner, it's watery. I don't know. This part is watery, like too watery. See, but I like the designs though. So it's very cheap. If you just want to design your face, you can still use that, but it's not waterproof. It's like water. So I'm gonna set my face with this. Let me just smell. Oh my god, the smell is like the powder of my grandmother. Too much perfume they put on this. I'm gonna set this. like Johnson baby powder. You have that before. So we will take out the powder here. Ready, set, that. Take it up, take it up. My face is so white. So we're gonna need to contour. We're gonna use the luxury contour. I'm gonna use my contouring brush. Medium contour. So let's start with the deep one. I'm gonna use the highlighter shades here. Oops, the paper. So they have like yellow, royal gold. Use the diamond dust on my nose to make it a little shiny there. Still need to highlight. Just that with it. There, girl. Highlight even your face is rainbow. Here. Works though. And here. And of course, there. Look at how shiny is that. You will see here more. Very cast. This is the Beauty Glaze. Sorry. This is the Beauty Glaze lipstick. So most of them are like that. You know, I'm just gonna put my brown liner there. Just a little. Here too. I like the liner, so you can make it an eyeliner and no, eyeliner. You can make it eyeliner and a lip liner. Let's see which colors I want to make. Let me start with that dark color here. This is Leo color. Now, I'm gonna put that here. Ooh, it's like a champagne color. Leo, is that you? It's like candy. And what's this? Christine. I'm gonna put a multiple layer to try everything. It's a matte lipstick, I think. Yeah. So I mix Christine and Leo already. I think I'm gonna use the. Oops. So this is Leo Christine. I think I'm gonna use this. This is Candy K. For that. Oh yeah, there we go. It doesn't have the. I like it. I like this lipstick. For the price and you have multiple color. Ooh, this is so pretty nice. So just gonna blend this lips lip liner because I look like a funny thing on this. Okay, just blend it. Then I'll put on the highlighter. Good. So just need that. Oh, settings are down. There we go. I'm gonna put another. So like the highlighter, the lipstick. Oh my god. Let me see the lip. Hey girl, keep it slow. Another stick. Oh my god, so nice. It's really matte. Let me try the other one. Where's the other stick? Oh, it's all done. So I tried. Where's the? I'll try those. I'll put it on the side. Oh, it's more brown. I'll put here. Okay. Okay. So nice. I put that. Just put that there. Oh, that I did. Okay. So basically I put all the color. And I think it is a lighter color exposed. I'm gonna try everything there. Here. Here. I'm gonna go. Don't panic. Go. It's the exposed. So I tried all the lipstick and oh no. It's really matte, like dry. Like it's not dry like cracking, but it's really matte. It's really nice. So I'm gonna put my wig on and change my clothes and I'll get back to you for the final look. So I want to try if the glow in the dark works. So I'm gonna turn off the light. Mm. Oh, oh yeah. Dang. Yeah. There's a little light on the side of my window, but dang girl, it works. We just put back the light. So, so yeah, yeah, I hope you like the final look. Excuse me for the crown here. um, the wig have a bounce and it covers the purpose of my makeup. But I really hope you like this video, and um, I hope you can make the same thing. Like you can use those affordable makeup and and make it in a make a great look like this for festival or something. So I thank you for watching again my video, and see you in my next video. Don't forget to subscribe, share this video, and also give give me some comment and suggestion for my next video. Bye bye, beautiful. See ya. Bye.